Okay, okay, okay. This
What are you?
is
Who are
the
you?
end times.
Did the video start now or did it start earlier?
It started yesteryear.
Goddamn.
It's a surprise, Trevor. We'll never know.
Yeah. Well, either way,
He said, time
demonetized.
to say the...
I mean, I didn't say it if we had it on the Discord soundboard.
Time to say the magical make your channel disappear word. Alright, my goal for this episode, at least, hopefully. Sounds like something's walking up on me. Hello?
They're here.
Step on something? I don't know. I'm just trying to get as much as this cabin done.
Okay.
So we can start going spelunking, gigging,
Spelunky.
spelunkering.
How
What
many,
the hell did I just hear?
like, tiers up are you thinking of making? Like, 2-story, 3-story? As high as you can go?
There's scavengers. I'm probably gonna make it at least a 2-story building. And we'll see from there. Maybe I'll extend more. Who knows?
Because it might actually be pretty cool to make it, you know, however tall it needs to be, and then have a walk path that just goes up a little bit more and into the tree platforms. You know?
Yeah.
I'm just always a little bit wary of those because I don't know how strong that actually is. Because if the tree itself just gets knocked down, then the entire thing topples over.
True.
And that's like... No. No. Maybe it would be fine. I don't know. I feel like that was a very common occurrence late game of the first game. Because you would just get...
all your stuff get knocked down from trees and stuff, or...
From the enemies that would show up. Like a fat ass would show up, and he would just barrel through everything.
Let's sleep.
Okay.
Character definitely needs to sleep.
Sleepy time.
Thank God.
And now I'm blind.
Flashbang. Flashbang going out.
Yeah. I should also try to find a cooking pot at some point as well. Because if at least one of us finds it, can make food for the both. Let me get some more logs cut down for you, and then I might do a little skirmisher run, see if I can go find a cooking spot somewhere.
Okay.
I wish you could tell Kelvin to do something like that. Actually, that'd be a cool addition to the game. If you could tell him to go just kind of run around the map just a little bit and pick up optional items from things like suitcases and whatnot, survival crates and things. That way you'd have an additional source of like tape and other things like that showing up every now and again.
Can I put a zip line down for you to zip
Oh,
stuff
yeah.
over?
Okay. Incoming!
Incoming!
You're what?
I wonder if we should do... You think it's a little too late to do Gmod on a YouTube thing?
I don't know what we would do.
Always set up giant, like, war skirmishes or something.
Could, yeah. That might be a decent video thing to actually, like, do more editing on. If that's something that strikes your fancy. I don't know.
I mean, eventually...
Because I feel like Garry's Mod is enough of a wild card that doing full videos might not be... You know, there's a lot of time in between, no matter what you're doing, I feel, where almost nothing is happening. Even if you do have a crazy big AI skirmish or something.
I don't even know what to do with these.
Shit.
Kelvin, you like the new digs? Yummy plant.
Those logs are just hitting the wall there and then rolling into the water there.
Let's go.
Your character going after sipping some water. I don't like it.
Let me do it again. Let me drive the boat. What the fuck? I thought a tree was falling behind me. Move, Kelvin. Be gone. Oh yeah. Let me get these logs. Oh
Them
yeah.
fat logs.
So we're doing a little farming off screen.
Burj Khalifa in the background.
Just a little bit.
What the hell? That might be a pretty funny, like, one-off skit thing to do at some point. Like, just as a quick one-off 30-second skit bodged onto the front, you know, the start of a video. It's just a normal The Forest playthrough video, like episode fucking 16 or whatever. But the first 30 seconds, you go into a playthrough where it's actually creative, and you have everything set up as you did in the survival mode playthrough, and then you just make that joke of if a huge structure built.
Mansion size.
So I did a little building off screen.
Just a tiny bit, not a lot. Probably can't even notice. Oh, game, it's not. There we go. Excuse you, biatch. Oh shit.
Oh, what the hell? That was weird.
Oh shit, a rat.
Wait, can you put... No. I was thinking you could also put rocks on this thing, along with logs.
Along with? No, I think they have to be separate.
Yeah, they don't.
The hell out of here. Bro? Bro.
Was that too close? What was that?
I threw a log at a hummingbird and it just dropped dead in the middle of the house.
Nice.
Here, catch, bird.
Catch, big ass.
Here, Calvin. Bone apple teeth.
Dinner bone.
Huh?
What? Who said that? Someone said something.
Oh man. Kind of digging the cabin though.
Yeah. Oh, oops.
It's always more fun to being able to have like almost full customizability.
Full custody.
Yep, full custody of my house. I can see my house on the weekends.
Someone else moves in for a little bit.
How do... How does this work? Oh, I see what it's doing. Okay.
Boom, ba, ba, boom, ba, bum, 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 boom, ba, ba, bum, ba, bum.
But how do I do this side now? Can I not?
I hear a scrap base somewhere. Making little beeping noises.
We have an issue.
Uh-huh. What of it? Oh, wait a minute. Huh? Wait, huh? Oh. I wonder if that's like a tree reinforcement.
Hmm?
If you have a log equipped, you can put it, you can walk up to like the base of a growing alive tree, and then it'll give you a little prompt to like add a support thingy.
Does that force it to go in a direction that you want it when you chop it or something?
No, it just goes in the direction that you're looking.
Have you tried it with the support on?
No. I assume the supports are just like
it goes
structure.
away as soon as you...
Yeah.
Yeah, but what would it actually do though? Like, what is the point?
Structure to reinforce it. Because you can reinforce everything else in the game.
Oh, so that like if you make a treehouse on it?
Yeah, you build a treehouse up there, and then you have dipshits coming around whacking on crap. So you go, nuh-uh. Nuh-uh.
Nuh-uh.
And then you have a bunch of reinforcements to help protect the tree.
So I have an issue. Apparently.
Uh-huh. You are an issue. You ever think about that?
What did that just do?
What are you doing? What is happening?
I can't. Oh wait, now I can.
Stupid dumbass.
It wasn't letting me before. I think I just did something that fixed it. I don't know. Oh no, I still can't. Like, it's not letting me. How do I explain? What is it doing now? What is this? I just want to build up the wall, homie. What?
What the fuck?
Yeah, it's doing some whack shit.
What the fuck?
Do you see what it's doing?
Yeah. Huh. Yeah, I think you might have to take that one down and then rebuild the stairs. Because I feel like that's something that
I had it.
you would have built the wall first and then the stairs around it. Or the stairs in it.
It's dumb.
Stone fireplace? Aw, we gotta have that at some point. That's pretty cool. Large log storage. Ooh, nice. I'm going to put this here for the time being.
What do you mean I can't? Hello? I can't take this down. Why the fuck not? Who do you think you are?
Oh, that's something. So this is an idea that I had for me and Eagle, but you might be interested, maybe? I don't know.
What is
Is
happening?
we start, what?
It's just not letting me do the things I want to do.
Is we start a podcast, and it would be done in a way, like, there is game footage that you can watch, so it's like a video podcast, but it's just us sitting around. Like, the main component would just be talking, of course, like a usual podcast. But it would, you know, people could also just view, you know, the game. And maybe if something happens every now and again, I don't know. If it's something like Sons of the Forest, you set up like a little base in creative or something, I don't know. Gives that random chance of something happening, and I don't know. It was just an idea. I didn't pitch it very well.
You're right, that was an idea. I'm about to lose my fucking mind here in a second. I don't get why the game's forcing me to do this.
Oh, I just took off for a second there.
Like, what is this? Why?
Oh, bro.
What does this accomplish?
Fuck it. Delete everything. Delete the video. Delete the channel.
Is this my issue? Okay, Kelvin. Thank you for that. Why is this not stacking? I don't understand why these don't want to stack.
It's spiders.
Is it because of this? What is this log? That's not a full log. Maybe that
More
was
like
it.
a fool log.
Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Except for whatever Jibber was saying.
What? Huh? Look, man, I don't want to...
Kelvin, I swear to God, I'm gonna beat you.
My boy.
My boy!
I'm gonna build 2 of the... Oh, that's where the campfire is. I shouldn't put it there.
Kelvin! Jesus. Wow. He's freaking out because of the scavengers.
I'm gonna move the tent if I can. How do I?
Gotta break it.
There we go. No, you hold C on it.
I think there's
Dumbass.
a scavenge man somewhere in there. I'm gonna throw a log at him if he gets near us.
Scavenger.
I warned you. Come here.
Let me throw this log. Let me tell you something.
I'll learn today. Okay, it looks like you're right. I just had to... No, we're not doing that. We are...
Stupid dumbass.
Jibber.
What?
Why are you so mean to me?
Would you like a formal apology letter in the
Yes.
mail?
And I want it scented, and I want a ton of glitter. I want to be
immediately thought of like fucking crayon letter. That sounds like shit.
Only you.
What, huh? What, huh? Look, man. Are you looking?
Nope. Sure
Yeah.
am not. That bothers me so much. I'm gonna just forget about it. Can I... Yes, that works. I'm fine with that.
Come on. Come on.
I really like the zip lines in this game, I'm not gonna lie.
You're lying.
Very much my favorite, one of my favorite things about this game. I need to make more. I think I need like... Oh, I have a...
Can you make more zipline lines?
Yeah,
Or
I
is it... I thought it was a separate item.
You need a rope and a zipline rope. Or... You
What?
need a rope and one of the zipline...
Oh,
things.
the broadheads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
Wait, doesn't it just use those automatically? If you have them in your inventory?
What do you mean by use automatically?
I thought if you just had a zipline broadhead in your inventory, it would...
It doesn't automatically turn it into a...
Oh, shit.
a zipline. Which is... I don't know. I can't remember if the zipline head's used for anything else or not. Shabada, habada, hebada, habada, habada. Okay.
Over.
This is gonna be crazy. If any people ever end up watching any of these videos, they're gonna be like, what the fuck are these guys talking about? It's gonna be just us
That's stupid.
inside jokes that they don't know.
Uh-huh.
We'll just look like crazy people. It's fine. Hi, Kelvin.
What the fuck is... What
Kelvin,
the
why are you
fuck
so
is...
bloodied? It's like somebody's been throwing logs at you this entire episode or something.
There's a hawk over here with its head wedged in the ground.
Is it dead?
No, definitely alive.
Could you kill it? Because we actually don't got a lot of food.
Speak for yourself, the dumbass. I've been walking around eating mushrooms and flowers this entire time.
Ah, very healthy. Zero protein diet.
Bruh.
Clearly, he is a master.
A master at work.
Yeah, that's... sure.
Let me finish loading this last log sled thingy, and then I'm gonna see if I can go find a cooking pot somewhere.
Okay, didn't ask. Okay.
Got my fucking name.
I might just go with you, honestly. I'm sure.
Yeah.
As riveting as it is to just sit here and build a fucking log
I'm telling you,
cabin.
man. Podcast. Like a hour 30-minute episode each time. We have a bunch of topics already pre-listed, and then just topic like titles, nothing more, and then just start talking about whatever it is. Did you want to go look for a doohickey now?
Yeah, that's fine. I need to get some water, and I need to kill anything I see, because I have no food. Oh, we should sleep actually first, because my character's tired.
Okay. Oh, I need to put the tent back up.
So we might be able to just make beds at this point.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking too. What the what in the fuck is... Did you build 2 doors?
What?
What is happening? I think that's just a visual thing.
There's only one door for me. Kelvin's in the way, though.
There's 2 doors that are
Move, Kelvin.
clipping into each other.
No, there's definitely one door for me.
Oh, bruh.
You are tired. No shit. Let's see. Stairs. Railing. You make railing? That's cool.
Just make up, just fucking this bench, chair, that, blah blah blah. Table, round table, stick bed, there we go. Where do you want it? Just in the corner here?
Yeah, I'm gonna put
Wah-huh. Boom boom pow?
Yep. Tape. I don't have any tape.
Something neither of us have, bruh.
Alright, let's go on an adventure.
We could go to the helicopter crash nearby. That probably has some respawned. So, tell me about your day.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Is that a rabbit?
Bruh.
Oh, come on. How did I miss? The thing literally jumped in my face as I was swinging.
Next time, use the taser.
Next time, eat a salad.
Finish. Some light bulbs in this one.
Oh, there's a zipline rope. Oh,
Yeah.
not my favorite item.
A whip?
Oh, a rock.
What? Yeah. Nern road.
Nern root? Is that what you just said?
Yeah. There's a little aloe vera plant next to the river right there, and that was the only thing that I thought about.
If I could shout these natives to death.
Bruh.
Oos.
Well, you can. You can in one way or another. There's some tape in that
some
one.
Wire.
A whole ass solar panel in that one too.
God damn. Isn't that solar panels for the... If I remember, you said, right? Wait.
What?
I am caveman. I
Bruh.
beat squirrel with rock.
Wait a minute. One up you. No, shit.
You're trying to throw it at a... You're trying to throw it at a
Try
fish.
to get a fish, yeah.
I wasn't expecting that to work. Let me get a deer with a rock. Hold on.
Yep, I'm following you with a whole stack of 3 here.
Come here.
Stun lock him, maybe? Whack him
I'm
once,
trying.
and then I can...
Nah, it's just gonna keep running. I already hit it, and it's just down.
No. But that's possible, though.
Where'd you go? There's a
I'm
rabbit.
still kind of running at it, you know. We have to tape, though, for that bed if you wanted to finish it. Or just kind of run off into the woods here and see if we can find something.
We do need to start exploring.
Yeah.
I also need to hunt.
We could go toward the
Come here, little
closest purple point on the map,
Got you.
which would be the flashlight. We might find something in that immediate area and on the way there.
I got some food, so I'm gonna cook that really quick.
Okay.
Because I'm hungry. Oh, hi, Kelvin. I forgot you're following us. Do you need food?
No, my diet is actually working out pretty well for me here. I may weigh only 90 pounds, but I'm as healthy as can be, I assure you.
20 pounds is reasonable. Love you, Kelvin.
What?
Nothing. I didn't hit him with a rock. Again.
And again, and then after that, and just then as well.
It's a Molotov.
That was
Actually, we did find.
Ouch.
We find a printer at some point.
This fireweed is really good, actually. It doesn't sound like it would be good, but goddamn.
No.
I'm at full health and water.
Okay, might as well just start eating random things so my character knows what's good. and
Random
what's bad.
crap off the forest floor.
Yeah, pretty much.
If we were on the other side of the island, or that general direction, we would be set for life with those damn garland berries or whatever they are. Those are the ones that give you a little bit of health. Well, it's food and stamina.
Eee, that's pretty good. Also, damn, how the hell did you get
Stamina.
over there so damn fast?
I
Oh.
don't know. I'm a man of the woods, what can I tell you?
Tell me how you got over there so fast, like I said.
Just been sprinting in a line and like foraging as I go.
Nah, you're hacking.
Yep, I am. I've got a gravity gun and a wooden pallet that I'm wedging underneath me over here.
Oh, yeah.
A cool little river.
Bamu. Hello, dear. If I'd known you were, like, right there, I would have swung past him.
What's your favorite IRL berry?
I want to say either blueberry or raspberry. I used to eat a lot of strawberries at one point.
Yeah. Shit, here's salmon berries. Blueberries are like... Hold on, I gotta figure out my order here. I'll say like blueberries are are good, and don't get me wrong, but I'm gonna put them like out of a list of 4. They're number 4, and then wait, where the fuck is this? Oh, it's over here more. And then, like, raspberries are number 3. And then gooseberries are number 2. And then blackberries are number 1 for me.
Interesting.
And the reason why gooseberries got a higher ranking than raspberries is because, like, that hits a little bit more personal to me, because one of my old houses had a gooseberry plant, like, right next door.
I don't think I've ever had gooseberry.
They're pretty... They're kind of basic. They have, like, a hard... not, like, fucking break your tooth, but they're a little bit more of a tough and, like, a better word would be crisp. They have a little bit more of a crisp shell to them. a crisp skin. And they're really bitter when they're green, which is my favorite way of eating them. And then they get sweeter and a whole lot more tolerable to most people when they start turning red, and that's when they're ripening.
The ripening.
They're pretty good.
Hi, Virginia. What's up? Hi, Virginia.
I think there is usually a little camp thing nearby somewhere. What's your timer at?
Yeah, should probably. Yeah, I guess we should stop this one here.
Yeah. Oh look,
Yeah.
there's a camp right here.
All right, we'll get back to it
And
next
end
time.
it off on a good note.
End it off. Okay, fine. We're going to the camp. Okay.
Yeah, it's right here. And it's got Hardbassa playing on one of these radios.
Does it? Hold on.
Yeah, this is legit. This is absolutely hard bass.
Right, I gotta come in with style.
Dude, this is really cool. And there's a pot here. That's awesome that this music is in the game. Oh, the modern axe is here too.
Oh yeah, modern axe is so much better.
Do you hear the Hardbassa?
Mine.
Bro. Bro.
That was a ton of tape here too. Here.
We can also sleep and save here, so let's do that as we leave.
Mark this spot just so that we know there's a camp.
Yeah. Some C4 bricks over here. Ouch.
Sorry?
In that black case, yeah.
Hey kid, you want to see a dead body?
No, no. That movie, I forget what it's called, but it just ends there. Hey kid, you want to see a dead body? No.
Alright, we will save, and then this will be the end of our episode. Wait, can I make...
Okay, I saved. Probably won't be able to sleep because there's a bunch of scrappies right next to us.
Yes. Alright. We'll be back, we'll do some more exploring the next time we play. Goodbye.